channel, my dear friends. Like the first time making a video on Hindi language. So today I will be making video English language. Spinner King IO game, how to be playing now, and I how to be completed this like the spinners level. I tell you something, okay? So spinners redeem your reward. Get Spinner King IO, all the spinners you will be be unlocked now, okay? So everything so much easily now, and I will be explaining you how to be unlocked now. And game, this is so much difficult, like be playing so much difficult, everything so much difficult. So I will teach you how to be playing and how to be unlock this game, or like the spinner unlocked now. So please, I request you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm so helping to you always. I try to be helping to you, and you will be get your reward to be easily. So I hope you will be enjoy my video. So let's start this video. So guys, I will download this game, and I will be teach you how to be playing this game and how to be spinners unlock now. And just I request you be carefully watching this video. So I hope you enjoy this video. So this is game like be everything so easy, not to be have like be any problem in this game, and you will be only collect connect your be coins, okay? You see like be I'm already be playing this game, and slowly I will be unlock this all of spinners. You checking now? So not to be problem here for me, and I will be try to be helping to you how to be completed to be this game. So I will be starting now this game, okay? Just only using your hand, okay? So oh sorry, because only control your fingers, this is the big benefit. But I tell you something, this is not to be like anything problem. Just only you will be uh, using your finger, and just only collect collect your coins, okay? So play. Okay, ready, go. Oh my god, because my touch not to be well working now. But this game meanings like you will be only using your finger, like we stop now where we not we control on your finger, okay? So this is not a not problem. If you lost, if you win, not a problem, because so just only you collect your coins, okay? When you collect your coins, so step by step you will be easily like be you will be collect your coins, and automatically your all of spinners unlocked, okay? So just only using your fingers, only using your fingers, okay? Okay. So much story, oh my god. Oh yes. Oh my god. Oh, no problem. This time you see like me my rank too. So everything so much easily, not to be have problem, okay? So just only using your brain and how to be playing, because this game like so much like be sometimes be so hard, because using your brain everything, because this is so much hard. Just only using your fingers, okay? Many countries people like these games always. So just I tell you, just only be focus on this game, okay? Oh my god, oh shit, for ranking this time, and I collect to be 200 coins, okay? So you will be oh this is the skin, okay? So everything you will be checking now, 1 2 3 4 like b and 4 6 7 7 like the skin I will be purchasing. So these coins also I will be purchased unlock, okay? This time because I have coins. So let's start. Oh my god, and drop on water my spinner, but not problem. I tell you how to be playing just only using like we collect your coins, not to be have problem if you not to be, if you lost this game, and you just only collect your coins, okay, using your hands. And oh my god, oh shit, because my hands not good working fingers, sorry. So when you have coins, and this is the you will be checking on, like if you watching this video, so then you also to be 2000 coins easily to earn, okay, ready go. Okay, 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 oh my god. Oh shit, also to my drop. So let's start. Okay, drag to more. Okay, this treble like good, like be big. Okay, 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 okay. Oh shit, 9 ranking lost now, no problem. P again starting now. Sorry, errors. Okay, play now. So this type of game is just only you trying to you collect yours like big coins and unlock your spinner. This is not pre-problem like if you complete level or not, but only you will be using your brain and collect your coins and unlock all spinners. So this is the your real method, okay, just only trying this, not to be completed, if not to be completed level, so no problem. So I hope you will be understanding what I'm telling you. So please I request you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.